the Ebonyi son. I am not trying to spoil business for you. I'm an azụ afịa and ị na-eme content ka o wee bara gị uru. Mana biko eji njine ga-ayọ gị. Anyị na-achụ ego anyị na-achụ si chụọ ya n'ụzọ ziri ezi. Asasịna ndị mmadụ isi ma ọ bụ try ya to bring two heads together. Ọ jọgburu onwe ya. Aga m emebiri gị business gị mana egwu tọzụ n'afa m. I've been keeping quiet all this while. Mgba nkịtị ọ dịka ọrama mara ife. Ebụta na-ebugharị voice notes na Jpac sịrị. Jpac na asịrọ. Gwa ndị ụwa nọ prank ka ị na-eme. Gwa ndị ụwa nọ prank ka ị na-eme. Ije na police station jee ebe aha see foto. Sọbụ ndị ị ga-asọ bụ see foto. Mmadụ see gị foto buru gị ụzọ postuo. I don't know how people reason at times. I don't know because of hardship or ihe isi ike mere some people ga-abụ hafu post ha ga-ama nke bụ real post na nke bụ fake post. Ọkwa na-ekwu maka arrange pastors, arrange prophets, arrange miracle, arrange nke a. Unu ama ekwukwu okwu na this arrange o. Nobody will say anything about arrange na ife about arrange arrest. Ebonyi son went and arrested himself. Je gbanyụọ phone a na-eme ya eme now. A na-eme eme. Many content creators na-eme eme. After all, untouchable comedy na onye a mere prank emere with police a na-eme but imeche ya kosi ndị ụwa ka ha ghọta na ihe a content. Ọ bụrụ because na ebe enu na asụ na-esi uru gị nobody is ready to arrest you. Ị gbara ọsọ ozugbo gaa iri combat were ike moto gị tiwu n'ukwu jee gwa ya PA si ya see gị foto o see gị foto ịgwa PA gị si ya bụrụ ụzọ jee postuo nyekasa sọm ndị small bloggers ndị na-amachilite a post gasịa your picture. Or that does it, where is the Ebonyi son? Jpac, if anything happened to Ebonyi son, this and that, as if to say, I am only Ebonyi son. Ebonyi son, in that true ego, oh, there are many ways as a true ego. You have a family, you have a wife, you have a child. You can create content with your family and your wife, just like Aisha and Boo Boo, and I come on directly to you and your family. You can make more views and more content with your family. Ọ bụrụ ịbịa enuze na-eso uru gị ịgbapụta ọsọ ozugbo jee buru ụzọ jee mee vidio ka iwe attract ya public sympathy. Ọ jọrọ njọ na yọrọ ma short man nugoro nwaanyị jide nwa jide nwunye na-enye ụmụ gị nri everything abụrụ ihe ọ ga-abụ cheki kwado onwe ihe ọ ga-abịa mecha tomorrow just like eze na-eti mgbe ọbụla na-enye agụ agụ abịana. Ndị mmadụ gbara ọsọ bịa eze na agụ abịa na apụtasị eze kere agụ ọ bụ na agụ arọrọ eme the first day, second day, third day, the main day original agụ bịaziri onye ezi na agụ abịa na agabere everybody gbanye nkịtị feel ọnụ ka eze si eme gịnị ka eze si eme ka ọ bụ eze onye agwara m o buru nsị na agwa a na-agwa na eze n'Igbo nsị na agwa ọsịsa agwara a na-agwa na agwa ọzọ jeziri occasion rusi ebe azụ everybody gbara ya ọsọ ijiji na-ebegharị everywhere ife a bụ ihe na-achị butere onwe gị. I love you as a brother. When you use me to do content, I leave you. Ibom allegation, Nanjigo 100,000, which is lie. Have you ever seen me on Facebook? My neighbors say, Gabazi beyond. Babazi on war, Babazi deep war. It's another better content, but one never I beg. Now joke be this so. Just like in ever comedy, Jimoto, Lezus, we may prank, na papi the moto. Later, because say, Aqua is not my husband, he's not my fiancé, he's not my boyfriend. Near content. Everybody making a chef way, man, can you be a chair, a happy or day like that? Even when you know, Nana Bonya half or jaw, still you can go where. Even go back allegation, Namu be there with a voice note, which is lie. Just all in the name, you cut off a Jpac. Me that build you when you were 74,000 followers. You were a market work, you to give them 100,000. If you know the area, it arrive. It was about what happened Jpac, cut on. Which you know that now this floor will be my witness that I did not bring your voice note anywhere. Now voice note is circulating now. Mona cause on the serious problem. Now I'm on a group. Such voice note where I did not post it. Do you know how many times people are saying Jpac? So you see this voice note in a group I try to post to it. You say why will I post it? If I have a WhatsApp group, can I post to it? Somebody must email that place or whoever. post what they say that's not Jpac. Maybe I am usually posting evangelist Ebukobi. As now, maybe I am working for Ebukobi. No! Ebonyi song, one day man didn't hear the prank. Stop attracting public sympathy. Stop attracting public sympathy, all in the name of content creating. I'm not against what you are saying. I'm not against what you are doing. Whatever you want to do, do it. But it is nakari a book or so. The people of Ebonyi people are very lovely people. In the whole of Southeast Nile, Imo, Anambra, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, 5 Eastern Zone. At least I can vividly say that Ebonyi State was one of the beautiful places in Ndi Igbo. Or also a tourist place someone can go. Man, the way you are doing things, we have somebody like a baby uncle in Ebonyi State, a multi-billionaire and a philanthropist that help people. We have Profane gadgets in Ebonyi State. We have how you choose in Ebonyi State. These are made of timbers and calibers. Mama is from Ebonyi State. She has never bring bad name to Ebonyi people. So one-on-one from Ebonyi State. Luxurious Ebonyi State. These are the people that can never bring bad name to Ebonyi people, but they are bringing good name to the people of Ebonyi. Tekno, Ebonyi. And a lot of, in fact, even at Southeast, Ebonyi people have produced more comedians, more content creators, more musicians, more producers, and also multi-billionaires. So why your own will be different? It's high time you change this your name to your own father's name. Or stop hiding your father's name. Your father abore a coward. Mpagebu, human being. Project the name of your father. Or when is that your guy name? Or is that for Bodogi that to generalize Ebonyi son? Tomorrow, how somebody like Duncan Mighty, I was not Potako first son. Ever since he crowned himself Potako's first son, he has been doing something that will take the good name to people of River State, people of Port Harcourt. What about Ndi River State half or Joe? Ndi River State, whether not Bamba or Port Harcourt first son. You want to say Ebonyi son. Man, they show her that he may have a me, wherever I can go, well love Ebonyi. Man, he have been messy, wherever I can go, Ebonyi has. First notes na fly na internet na. Eba akuza na bara mbara pesum. I akuza akuzi pick my call. I didn't wish you because again na move for that voice note. I did not post it. And I said why I'm making so I'm full poison. Na better mother na mu we making na me aso wale. I have my reasons. That group belong to somebody. I cannot just go there and bring something and be escalating it. Now what say? Can we embrace money? I saw it. May one overlook. Am I the only person in the group? Am I the only person that support what Ebukobi is doing? No. A lot of people that love Ebukobi in the group. Somebody might bring the voice note. I told her, oh, you're going to put those are the voice note. Just no more. Well, I'm not here to explain to you. But here now, what about Riado, Kado Duoge? Riado, Kado Duoge. When you go to 30 years, I was home house. When you go to 30 years, I was a child. When I go bills, now go on and I was a child. I think Riado go to war with I know you want to make the money, fine and good. If you want to make the money, I can help you, link you to many big content creators that I am. Or be a stage here, or for prank, stage you here, or ga, or maybe I will gender police. I can do that. Gender police, Joe's made picture. He didn't want to claim. In Nigeria police force, Kaya be made arrest legally. I have a phone. Some people know they ask themselves question. He made arrest legally. I have no phone. He never say photo. Fine and good. He says here somebody post to but I give one way. Whenever post picture, post to do to arrange. Well, yeah, gaziere. Mana, you could them arrest one day. The original arrest, everybody has not his before my name and go 1 month before I'm at Ebeno. Yagazia.